Now, cryptocurrency prices may be struggling over the last day, over the last 7 days, but I do believe that we are on the brink of a very nice run. If you look at the 4-year bull market cycle, it puts us in November into December of this year, and I believe that could be playing out. Now, clearly that is speculation based on previous cycles, and of course, history does not have to repeat itself. But the good news is, we're seeing it play out in real time the way that it did in 2017, 2021, and I don't remember too much about 2013. You know, there wasn't a lot of altcoin runs and so on going, and a lot going on back then. But of course, Bitcoin did have a very nice run in 2013, November, December as well. So I am bracing for major gains. And with that, one of the tokens that I am buying is XRP. And XRP has some fantastic technical analysis that says it could be setting up for a new all-time high. Let's discuss it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Claybro. And it says, do not be fooled by XRP's price dump. Well, first of all, I don't think moving from $3 to $2.87, where's it at today? $2.88 is necessarily a price dump. I believe that this is in line with the rest of the market. As you can see, it's actually up on the day today, down over the last week, as a lot is here. But nonetheless, it's following the market very nicely. The good news is the Bollinger Bands suggest a new all-time high. It says with XRP dipping under 290, it might be enough to put anyone off thinking about buying the last minute. But for now, the key indicator is showing something else entirely. The weekly Bollinger Bands still keep XRP well above the midline at 270. With its top band sitting as high as 354. So after yesterday's notorious dip, which led to $1.6 billion in liquidations, and XRP falling from 3 to 270, many rushed to proclaim that this is the end of altcoin season. But those making this bearish call may find themselves on the losing side once the dust has settled. It says XRP at $3.16 is key. A break above that level is going to change the daily structure and put the stamp on the price for a much higher range, where new highs are more likely to come into play. With a market cap of $180 billion, XRP is not some meme coin that is all about hype. It trades on liquidity flows, and Bollinger Band compression have consistently been a reliable signal when the market is about to expand. Now, a move under 290 is not confirmation of weakness. It's just positioning inside the bands before the next attempt higher. And right now, the overall market is in a very weird phase, right? And typically, we have seen September as a negative month historically for Bitcoin and major altcoins. October, however, is historically a very bullish month. Now, I'm not one of these guys that believes the stock traders almanac and everything, that these months have to repeat themselves. But historically speaking, I believe Bitcoin is in an average 15% gain in October. That's what they like to call October. And Ethereum has seen some massive growth as well. 2021 was near a 50% gain. 2020 was near a 50% gain. And that is a 1-month move. Guys, if we see a 50% gain in Ethereum, moving to roughly $6,000 per coin throughout October, we could be on the verge of the biggest altcoin rally, the biggest crypto rally, leading into the biggest meme coin rally that we have ever seen in the space. So I continue to load up. I am buying XRP out on exchanges like KSX. You guys got a link for that down in the description. I also hold XRP on Best Wallet, a decentralized wallet where you guys can go out there, buy cryptocurrency in your custody, your keys, your crypto, all of that good stuff, and it is a free download. So make sure to check it out if you guys want to hold a diverse portfolio in Best Wallet. And I'm also loading up on tiny little tokens like Bitcoin Hyper. I believe that this is going to be one of the biggest bull market rallies we have ever seen. Hey, we might top out in November, December, the same way that we have done in the previous 3 bull market cycles. So do not let this opportunity pass you by. I am not letting it pass me by. I am buying anything and everything that I can with every opportunity. that I can. So if you guys are interested in any of this, you got links for everything down in the description below. Let me know what you're buying, and until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.